the buyers take the range markets control and gives us this very important information with the bullish outside bar. At this very right moment, I don't care about the trend. I don't care, to be honest, if the trend is bullish or bearish or anything else. The only thing I care is about the fact that the price is within this consolidation with buyers in range markets control. Obviously that gave us the information with this bullish outside bar. So where the price going? Once I identified what the price doing, all I have to do is to identify where the price is going. Obviously, if we have a range market with bullish outside bar at the support level, the answer is very simple, clear and very predictable. At the resistance level. So at this very right moment, to be honest, I don't care if the trend is bullish, bearish, etc. Okay? I've made my analyze. I read the price. I was able to identify this range. I had the information on the weekly chart with this bullish outside bar. So from now on, all I have to do is focus to find the best opportunity to buy it until the resistance level. Okay? It is more important to read the price and to be able to identify what the price is doing than get complicated about the fact that until now the price is doing high high, high low, high high, high low, high high. So I could say from this point of view that we are in a bullish trend, but obviously if we are looking at the importance of this trend line, we can say that we have lower high, lower low, right? And now we could have lower high. I don't know, and to be honest, I don't care. Okay? All I care is about this consolidation. All I care is the last week information about the fact the price closed within the old range market, about the fact that the sellers had the force to push the price back within the old consolidation range market. So this is the only information I care. Obviously the fact that is in confluence with this very important dynamic level, it's one more reason to hold on, to be patient, and to wait for seller's confirmation.
So basically, you are agreeing about looking for short opportunities, despite the trend looks a bit long, let's say. Uh, I think I have written that I would like to wait for the price to break below something of this rent market because I don't like all this practice in the middle. When I see, do you see the shape of these bars? I think they are quite different from normal bars. I mean, look at how tight they are. One bar, the next cancel it, and the next cancel the
I
previous.
understood
Like
and
a longer
understand.
fight than usual. So I would not want to be in the middle of all this fight.
Yes, I agree.
Peaceful,
I totally agree.
kind of like they those that move like normal. Here they are doing jogging, and here they are playing box. Basically, they don't like it.
I
So
totally
I would
agree.
like to. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Is no, you're right, and is exactly what I was saying earlier about the fact that the space between these important levels within the consolidation is very tight, and it will be very hard to find opportunity from a money management. And I'm very aware by the fact that the price will continue to make a lot of range markets. As you noticed, we have a bearish reaction, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So this is a very clear information. It is a wonderful and a very I don't know, maybe the most simplest way to read the price. Looking at these consolidations and seeing all these buyers' reactions, followed by a seller's reaction, it's a clear information about how strong and how tough was the fight between buyers and sellers. And this tells us that in that space, in that zone, the price get into a zone where I don't know, the buyers and the fight and the sellers are fighting for the price, because it's a zone that both wanted or nobody wanted. The reason why is and especially was in the past a battle like this. To be honest, I don't care. I care about my abilities to see this fight, to see how strong the battle was, and obviously to make a plan in order to keep me off about and away about these fights between buyers and sellers. That's all. Please.
I understand that the dynamic range market is drawn at the highs and the lows. Uh, why dynamic range market here? Why draw the line there instead of there?
It was drawn based on monthly chart. Okay, here it is. Right, the high and high. It is.
So do you wait?
Please.
Do you wait for the current month to close before we can draw the line there?
Now, I obviously drawing based on a monthly chart. I wait for a monthly information because it's a monthly pattern. Here it is. So when I'm reading a monthly chart, I am always wait for a monthly information. When I read a weekly information, I always wait obviously a weekly information. Okay, so this is the reason why I learn to be patient and do not jump in the market. And I will show you a very simple way to be in the safest position in the market. We have the dynamic resistance, right? And some weeks ago, the weekly candle closed above this resistance level. What I'm trying to explain within the thread, I'm trying to explain that a simple information is not enough. We have the information must be followed always about a confirmation. The information is what we are reading always on higher time frame. Meanwhile, the confirmation is the price action or on daily chart. Okay, so someone could very easily say, okay, we have the weekly chart that close above. From now on, we can buy it. What I'm trying to do is show you how important and how safe it is to stay away of these traps and be patient. Do not jump in as soon as you are seeing a candle that close above or below an important level. Why? We have the information. This means that from now on, all we have to do is waiting for a daily confirmation. Let's see on daily how how the price reacted. Okay, the vertical line shows where the close on the weekly chart was above the dynamic level. Okay, so from now on, all we have to do is waiting for daily confirmation. Please underline daily confirmation. Obviously, not every kind of bullish price action in this case, because all you have to do is choosing that confirmations that respect our selection criteria. Okay, so we are seeing it in a very clear way that we didn't have a price action, a bullish one, right? We don't have a clear price action, right? So this is why it is.
Can you pull up the monthly, please?
Excuse me.
Could you pull up the monthly, please?
Okay.
And,
Here we go.
So this month's candle here, this month's candle,
Yes.
yeah. So after it closes at the end of March, only then and only then could we draw the resistance line at the high of this March.
I understand. Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. It is very important that all the analyses or the charts reading are made with the candle closed. It is crucial. It is very, very important. It's essential. It's crucial. Okay. So now all we have to do is waiting. Obviously, we already had an opportunity and an information on the weekly about the fact that the sellers, repeat, had the ability to push the price back within the old range market. So a bearish information when the monthly candle will close, we will have more information. Okay, more information. I mean, if and only if the price will close this monthly candle as a bearish pin bar, obviously in this very small consolidation allows us to identify its support level as a first bearish target. I mean this 1.3477. Okay.
That's it. Thanks.
Thank you. please, if you have others questions, other questions. Or if you have some open trades that you would like to talk about. I put on the thread a very simple opportunity, and of course it is exactly what I'm trying to explain in this very simple way, and a very safe way to make trading. We are seeing the price in this consolidation, a consolidation range market, as I like to call it, a range market, with a support level at this 1.36 level, and a resistance level. Let's see a very clear level. Look here at the left side, where the price get to take the liquidity. So this is a very clear and simple information about what is the most important level. Okay, I could bet that no indicators in the world could do something like this to identify a very simple level so precise. Okay, we are seeing support, strong support, and very strong support. Now act as resistance. This 1.1742, right? So it is a very simple and a classical way to trade it. Obviously, we are able to identify money management level because of how important was 1.1553 in the past, right? Here we go. We are seeing how the price closed above our consolidation. Obviously, here we have second information about this head and shoulder that gives us a second bullish information, right? Here we go. The left shoulder, the head, and right shoulder. This means after we are seeing the price that get back into the old range market, all you have to do is waiting for the daily confirmation, very strong daily confirmation at the support level. Here we had an opportunity, but unfortunately yes, right, we hadn't a bullish outside bar because the high is lower than the previous high. The price did a next retracement, and then our confirmation, daily confirmation after the weekly information. Obviously our level become the first important money management, then obviously the target. Pepe,
I have a question.
please. Please.
So I noticed that the bulls bring price like below the range of market support here. So when that happens, does that cancel the confirmation?
I'm not sure I understand very clear your question. You are speaking about this bearish pin bar?
Yes. Yes. The bear. Excuse me. The bears. If the bears bring the price out of range market, and then
I understand. Here we have two important aspects. The first one, it is not a bearish pin bar. When we are seeing and telling about, when we are speaking about a bearish, underline bearish, a pin bar, we always want to see it at the end of a bullish movement. This is not a bearish pin bar, okay? It stays on a swing low. We want to see the bearish pin bars to swing high. This one is a bearish outside bar where we are speaking about the bearish price action candles. We always want to see them at the end of a bullish trend movement, a bullish phase. Okay? Do you see the difference? This is a bullish trend, and then suddenly we have a bearish price action, but previously we have a bullish phase, a bullish movement, a bullish swing. Okay? This is a price action that stays on swing high. Meanwhile, this candle, it is not, okay, a bearish pin bar due the fact because it stays on a swing.